Green. Green is in everything. Green buildings, green car, Emetco, green everything. But we decided also to have a green award like every year. And this award goes for a company which we all love, which we all live with. The company is hospitality. طيب. Okay, sorry. It's also green, actually. It's also green. This wonderful hospitality project, which some of you have visited, and probably most of you have seen on social media. It is charming, basically, and it's efficient and it's beautiful. It is green, but it's the first 3 criteria that have won it the award. And it's a good example to develop hospitality projects in the mountains. So we're very happy to give this award to BKERZAY. I'm glad you agreed with me on this one.